Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is open your Instagram account and make sure that your Instagram is updated to the latest version. Now click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Now just simply open any post. Now click on the three dots at the top of your post. Now choose the edit option over here, and right over at the top you will find the option of add paid partnership. So all you have to do is just simply click on that and just simply enable that particular option. Now if you don't have that option, let me show you how to get that. So it's a very easy process. Go back, click on the three lines on your profile at the top right, go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down to the very bottom and over it choose help. Now over it just simply open report a problem. Now over it just simply disable the below option and then click on report a problem. Now over it just simply click on don't include and continue, and now just simply write a problem. So all you do is just simply write I cannot add a collaboration to my Instagram post after I have posted it. I don't want to delete the post and repost it again. Please resolve the issue as soon as possible. Thank you. Just simply write that and then just simply send it. And after a few hours, the Instagram support team will contact you and will help you to get the issue fixed. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like subscribe to our channel and take care.